Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Crystal. Today we're gonna make leek tart. These are the ingredients that will be used. The full ingredient list will be at the end of the video. First, we'll prepare the leeks. Cut off the top and cut them lengthwise. Be careful not to cut off the roots. Remember to like, subscribe and share this video if you want to receive more easy recipes. Next, place the leeks under running water and wash them thoroughly. Open up each leaf to ensure that there are no sand or mud inside. Repeat this process a couple of times to ensure that the leeks are clean. Then, cut them into 1 to 2 cm bite size and place them in a sieve or colander. This is to ensure that all the excess water are drained out. Next is to cook the leeks. Heat butter in a pan, then add in the leeks. Cook them over low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. Remember to stir often. While waiting for the leeks to cook, we can preheat the oven and prepare other ingredients. The leeks are ready when they are soft, fragrant and sweet. Set aside for later use. Next, we will prepare a simple egg mixture. Crack all the eggs into a bowl, add salt and pepper and whisk them together. Next, add in the cream and whisk until they are fully incorporated. Set aside for later use. Next, we'll prepare the tart shell. Roll out the pastry and gently lay it over a loose bottom tart tin. Use your fingers to gently press the pastry to the tart tin. Use a sharp knife and cut off the excess pastry. If there are some small holes on the pastry, you can use the extra dough to patch them up. Next, use a fork and gently poke holes all over the base of the pastry. Blind bake the tart shell in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. The last step is to assemble the leek tart. Place the cooked leeks into the tart shell and use a fork to gently spread them so that they are placed evenly. Next, sprinkle the grated cheese all over the leek tart. Pour in the mixture and pop the leek tart into the oven. And there you have it, easy, yummy, cheesy leek tart. Take a screenshot of the ingredient list for future reference. Thank you for watching and see you soon.